About half inch. About half inch now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, hang on there. Where's the other heavy guy? Get on that side.
So I don't fall through.
Yeah.
Okay, how's that? Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
good.
we could lower the tires too.
If we have to, we don't have to. Gotta go ditch. Yeah, there.
Yeah, let's just
Keep going.
clear this.
Keep
Good,
going.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back up more.
My head back up.
All clear.
Hey, now, you get out of there.
Can I get out of here? Oh my good, do I have to get out of here now?
I call up Ian and say, hi, I'm in Swanson.
I'm in Swanson.
You have to stay extra.
Oh yeah, I can.
Do you need a hand out?
I'll get out.
All right.
I've been in tighter spaces than that. I had a 64 Falcon right off, and I seen it on the record and the truck.
Yeah.
Before I go into the crusher,
Yeah.
and it was too high. There was another car on top of it.
Oh, wow.
I gotta get into that fucking car. I need the radio on it, that
Yeah.
fucking thing. So I climbed up. Sure, the fucking radio's in there.
You got it in there.
Oh, I got in there. I got in there. There was
Wow.
no way I was gonna leave that radio in there.
Yeah.
Radio and rams for the convertible top. I needed those.
Well, the turd in there.
Yeah.
It fits.
It fits.